If you can build these 10 hobbies, you can completely transform your life. Most people spend their free time scrolling. Successful people spend it building skills that make them healthier, smarter, stronger, and more successful. Number 1. Reading. Every book you read gives you access to years of someone else's knowledge and experience. Just 10 pages a day can completely change the way you think. The more you read, the better your decisions become. Strong minds are built one page at a time. Reading is one of the highest return investments you can make in yourself. Number 2. Strength training. Strength training is about more than building muscle. It teaches consistency, discipline, and resilience. Every workout proves that progress comes from showing up, even when you don't feel like it. As your body grows stronger, your confidence grows with it. A strong body supports a strong mind. Number 3. Combat sports. Combat sports teach you how to stay calm under pressure. They build confidence, discipline, and respect through consistent practice. Every session challenges your body and your mind. You become stronger, faster, and more mentally resilient. The greatest opponent you defeat is the person you used to be. Number 4. Learning a high-income skill. The skills you learn today can create opportunities tomorrow. Whether it's coding, writing, AI, marketing, or design, every hour you invest increases your value. High-income skills give you freedom because they solve real problems. Your income often follows the value you create. Never stop learning. Number 5. Running. A simple walk or run every day can transform your physical and mental health. It improves your energy, clears your mind, and reduces stress. Fresh air and movement help you think more clearly. Great ideas often come while you're moving. One small habit can improve your entire day. Number 6. Meditation. Meditation trains your mind to stay calm in a world full of distractions. Just 10 minutes a day can improve your focus and emotional control. Instead of reacting to every thought, you learn to observe them. A peaceful mind makes better decisions. Inner strength begins with stillness. Number 7. Video editing. Video editing is more than a creative hobby, it's a valuable modern skill. It teaches storytelling, patience, and attention to detail. Every project improves your creativity and problem solving. It can also open doors to freelance work, content creation, or your own business. A single skill can change your future. Number 8. Eating healthy food. Your body becomes what you feed it every day. Healthy food gives you more energy, sharper focus, and better long-term health. Small nutritional choices compound over time. Eating well isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. Fuel your body like it matters because it does. Number 9. Journaling. Writing your thoughts helps you understand yourself better. Journaling clears mental clutter and turns ideas into action. It helps you track progress, learn from mistakes, and stay focused on your goals. 5 minutes of writing can save hours of confusion. Clear thoughts lead to better decisions. Number 10. Creating instead of consuming. Most people spend their free time consuming content. Successful people spend part of that time creating something valuable. Write an article, build a project, record a video, or design something new. Every creation improves your skills and confidence. The people who create the most often grow the fastest.